Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about Detroit, Michigan. It is the largest city in Michigan and it is right across from the Canadian border, and it is recognized as Motor City because of its history in the auto industry. Now if you want to know 10 things to do in Detroit, keep watching. First thing you want to do is head over to Dessert Oasis for some coffee. They are a local coffee shop and they're very friendly as well. The barista asked me if I wanted a milk alternative with my green tea latte, and of course I chose oat milk. Honestly, I thought this drink was very delicious, very smooth, and on top of that, their pastries are very delicious. My favorite was the chocolate croissant. The chocolate was melted in there and it was just so good. Right across the street, you'll see Detroit's newest dog park, which officially opened last month, and you'll find plenty of seats here to enjoy your coffee. Head over to the Eastern Market for some lunch. There are a lot of local vendors here from all over Detroit Metro. Feel free to park across the bridge. We did find a lot of free parking there. It is a short walk to the Eastern Market, and you'll see that it is about 4 buildings long. There are vendors inside and outside, and they sell everything from clothes, food, to knickknacks, and hygiene products. Stop by Rolea's Caribbean for some delicious old-fashioned donuts. Head over to the Grill Father Barbecue for some lunch. They grill all of their food out in the open, and we were really excited that they had some hot links. They're basically spicy hot dogs, which are really good. Home Sweet Home has one of the best cupcakes that I've ever tasted. All of their cupcakes are made with buttercream frosting, and they have very flavorful filling on the inside as well. Susie and Izzy's soap bars are really good. I loved their oat milk bar. It was like a natural exfoliator, and I'll go ahead and leave their Facebook down in the description so you can order your own. Here, you'll also find Hellfire Detroit. They specialize in making salsas, and their habanero sauce was actually featured on season 9 of Hot Ones.
Oh, I got a big chunk of that. Ooh. Ooh.
If you have a sweet tooth like me, you gotta check out Milk Froth. They're open Saturdays and Sundays from 1 to 9 p.m. in downtown Detroit, and they have vegan options available. Trust me, you'll find the most flavorful ice cream made from scratch here. This is your vegan strawberry flavor, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it, give you guys my thoughts. Oh my god, it's like so good. The ice cream is delicious. The cone is honestly really good too. A couple feet away is Martius Park. It's one of Detroit's city parks with Wi-Fi. There's plenty of seats here, and in the summer it is decorated to resemble a beach setting. If you're looking to slow things down for a little bit, head over to Dequindre Cut. It is a repurposed railroad line that stretches for 2 miles. And most of the graffiti was already here before the trail existed. The trail leads you back to the Eastern Market, and it cuts through Fright Yard, which is a bar and grill mid-trail. You'll oftentimes see local musicians play soft music while people relax and enjoy some yoga time. If you want to know a little bit of history, head over to the Ford Piquette plant. It's a former Ford factory that was running from 1904 to 1910. This factory did build about 100 cars per day, and they have all of their models on display. You'll start with Ford Model A and you'll end with their Model T. Their Model T is important because it is the first car that was available to the working class. You can check out their snowmobile, which doctors used to use to get to your home. And you can also take a look at their tractor car, which women used to use during World War II to farm. It was during this time that Ford built a plant in Ireland to sell their tractors internationally. And you end their tour with the Ford GT sports car model, which is the car that is used in the Ford vs. Ferrari movie. This particular model was able to help Ford beat Ferrari in the Le Mans 24-hour international sports car race from the years 1966 to 1969. Alright, so we're getting closer to the night, so you want to head over to Batch Brewing. They have a really nice turf patio. It's local beer. Now, if you don't like to drink, like me, you can always order their beer slushy, and it is really good. You want to end the night at Brakeman. It is a beer hall with rotating drafts of craft beer. Now, you do need a wristband to get in, so they are going to check your ID. They do not sell any food in-house, so if you want some food, you want to walk over to Penny Red's, which is right next door, and you can enter it through Brakeman. I'm being totally honest when I say it is the best fried chicken in the city. They have really good honey butter biscuits as well, and all of their chicken is bone-in. Spice definitely has a kick, so be ready. Alright you guys, I hope the video was helpful and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!